I'm Tom from Do-It-Yourself Home Automation, and this is a look at the MA-25 air purifier. It's a HEPA purifier from Medify Air. I really like the Medify Air purifiers because they are actually medical grade HEPA filters. So HEPA filters filter out a lot of, I think up to 99.5% of particles under 2.5 microns, so smoke, some of the particles that can carry bacteria and viruses. So they're a really great kind of filter to have in an air purifier. This is a HEPA 13 filter though, which means it's even a little bit better, and it'll filter out, I believe, 99.9% of those particles, and even smaller than a 2.5 micron particle. So this is actually designed for use in a medical setting. My dentist uses these, for example, in their office, and you can get one for home for they're relatively inexpensive. I think the MA-25, which is what I have here, was about $160 when I got it. And this is the setup I have. I have it here in the nursery for my kid. And it's a very simple purifier. It doesn't have any real bells and whistles in terms of measuring air pollution levels or anything. You just got a very simple kind of glass style touchscreen on the top. You can switch it on with that button. Choose the speed. There's 3 different speed settings. And on the highest setting, it's pretty powerful. The outflow is in the front. I'll turn this off so you can hear me. The outflow here is in the front, so it's pulling air in through 2 HEPA filters on the sides, and then it's blasting it out through the front here into your room. And the other functions are pretty straightforward. Child lock, so you can press that if you don't want your kid to be able to press these very appealing looking lighted buttons here. The timer, so you can put it on, when you go to bed and have it run for 2 hours or 4 hours or whatever you want. Again, the on and off, the speed, and then the dimmer switches off the light that would be on there when it's running. So you can put the dimmer on so that you don't get a lot of light if you're using it in a bedroom or something. So very simple. I find it works great. It can purify about a 500 square foot space. And I think it takes about an hour to run all of the air in a 500 square foot room through. So for 160 bucks, 2 HEPA 13 filters, even better than your standard HEPA. And check out the Medify Air MA-25. I also have the it was an MA-14 or something. It's a smaller filter, and I'll do another video about that. If you found this helpful in any way, please subscribe to my channel. It really helps.